Merry Christmas, everyone, and a Happy New Year. This is Lady T ZCD jumping on here real quick. Let's do this Christmas tour, you guys. I have been off the grid. I had to go to my daughter's graduation. She's now graduate. She's a college graduate. My last child. Then I jumped on a plane and a ship, and now I'm back home trying to do Christmas. So with all that being said, please forgive me. This is going to be really quick. I wanted to get this done. Merry Christmas. Here we go. Okay, we're coming in off the front door entrance. Foyer to the right. This is my vignette of my Santa Claus greeting you Merry Christmas. And I did the what you call those things, lanterns myself, picks, Dollar Tree picks, things I had already in my Christmas storage. So that's cute. That's another one down there by Santa. And I did a little gift wrap from a pillow right there. I did that bow. And so, yeah, that's what you're greeted to the right. And now this home is, my theme is just home, cozy, cottage, let it snow, whimsy. Put that together, okay? Let's keep it moving. All right, now we're going to look up here and we're going to be greeted by another snowman. He's saying hello, welcome, or if you exit, goodbye. And I don't know where you got to go, but you got to get out of here. But yeah, this is what I have going on up here. Okay, and let's keep it moving. Living room. I'm waiting on my daughter to come. She's wants to go shopping, and I'm like, Lord have mercy. So Christmas Eve shopping, I don't know, y'all. I'm about to need me a cocktail in a minute, but it's just too early. But anyway, Christmas tour. Okay, living room. This is what I got going on my coffee table. Joy to the world. All right, my little Christmas tree back there. Now, my collection, you guys, I'm going to speak on that real quick. My collection of my wise men. I love them. They're so realistic. They're so authentic looking. Look at the clothes and the outfits that they have on, and their faces, their eyes. So realistic, you guys. And I keep them stored very nicely, wrapped up very nicely, because I want to keep them intact. I've had them for a while, and yes, you will see them every Christmas in my videos for the holidays. So I love them. And that's all I needed over here in this area. And we're walking. This is my pillows. Y'all know I decorate with pillows. Different seasons, different pillows. Love that pillow, you guys. Got that from Kirkland's or TJ Maxx. And one of them higher end stores, y'all. But it was very, very pretty. And I decided to go ahead and splurge on it. Something different. Okay, moving on. I did this little vignette over here in the corner. Gold, cream, all the different metals together. Okay. Now we're walking, we're backing up. Look at that deer. I got that from Ross, I believe. With the traditional colors embedded throughout. All right. We're backing up. Beautiful Christmas pillows. I didn't spend much on the pillows. I got those pillows from at home. Okay. Now let's go right through the foyer. Y'all know how it's set up. Those you guys have been following me. How the floor plan is set up. Now, here's the tablescape. Now, this is the kitchenette. Or kitchen, what they would call this? Kitchenette. Some people have different names for it. But this is what we eat. And like I said, the theme is Let It Snow. You're going to see a lot of little snowmans throughout my theme for this year. Very whimsy, nice, homey, you know, welcoming. I love the fancy bling bling, you guys. I can do either or. But for me, and this is a family home, I just like to have, you know, a cozy, welcoming, whimsy, you know, feeling throughout my home. Oh, it's too bright over there. Let's get this tablecloth. Look at that. Beautiful. That was my inspiration. I always have one piece to inspire me as to how to go about decorating. Panning over, right behind the kitchenette is the family room. Okay, that's my tree. We're going to go walk inside. As you can see, color everywhere, different patterns, different prints. We're walking. These are some Christmas presents. My hubby and I ran out last night. We haven't even been home a week yet. And not even a week. We only been home for a few days, maybe 2 days from the cruise. And so we ran out and bought gifts. We had nothing under the tree. Everything was up Christmas-wise, festive-wise, but I did not have any gifts. So this is what we came up with. A couple of gifts. We still shopping. My husband just left to go get some more gifts. So this is what he liked to do, be in the last-minute rush, you know, shopping. But let's talk about this tree. Now, as you can see throughout, that's my Let Snow. I'm so glad I got the chance to do it before Christmas. Lord, that's one of my daughter's ornament that she made when she was young, like in elementary school. I think 2000, it's about to come off, 2007 or something like that. That's her piece. And my son, which is now 27, looks for his ornament on the tree. He made this in the 1st grade. That's a deer face. So he always like, wow, where my deer? I'm like, Lord. So yeah, those will keepsake things you have to, you know, treasure, keep for the kids. And then, you know, when I have grandkids one day, I'll add them on God's will. Okay, this is my top of the tree. I came up with that, very creative, low budget, money friendly, cost friendly, and that's what I came up with. Y'all, Christmas is one day, and I was not trying to, I broke the bank with other things that was more important. And now I'm like, look, Merry Christmas, everybody. Okay. And on this side, here we go. That's beautiful. Picture of my hubby and my son. You know, another trip back there in the back. A family going on a cruise somewhere. Okay, here we go. Woo! Let me pause for the cause. My fireplace mantle. I am very proud of this mantle, you guys. I'm not going to break it down. I'm just going to do a panoramic view of the mantle. Let's walk it out. Yes. So, you know, very creative, low budget, cost friendly, but turned out beautifully. Okay. I'm not going to go through and break it down all these different stores. I'm just going to go by the things I remember and stores that I remember going to. Y'all already know. At Home, Walmart, and things I already had already. Okay. Then we're going to do some stocking stuffers. That's what we got to get today. I got those stars from Target. I think that's Target as well. Joy. Going down. Poinsettia. And we're going to pan around. That's another little Santa, friendly Santa, welcoming little deer there. Those are my kids in the background when they was little on that picture back there. Did y'all see them? And we're going to pan around. Beautiful pillows, you guys. It's the pillows that we lounge on. I mean, not the pillows, the sofa. Y'all know about this sofa. This is a family sofa. Now, these pillows, those green pillows right there, my daughter and I made, I think, 2 years ago. The red ones came in a set from Ross for about $17.99. And the other ones I had already. I had those from last year. Probably Ross, both Ross. Thoreau, Christmas Thoreau. Got to fix that pillows upside down. This is our little counting, what do you call this little thing? I forgot this wooden. But it count down the date, down to 1 day before Christmas. Y'all, real life scissors and stuff have been used to make them marking, you know, the gifts will. Real life, real life, real life. And we're walking. We went on in here. So I already did that. Oh, my beautiful face. Oh, you can't see it, but y'all, I did a video on that already. This is the kitchen counter. A couple of beautiful cards. People, yes, still send cards out. I never was a person who was able to get my cards out, y'all, but I love receiving them. I do think that's very, very nice and appreciative when people take time out to mail you something. So I really appreciate the cards. And there we go. The two little Santa, not Santa, I keep saying that, snowman, sleigh. And I have the beautiful spiced apple candle there. Bath, Body, and Beyond. Not Beyond. Bath and Body Works. Caught that sale, y'all. Let's keep it rolling. Real life dishes. A little couple of dishes in the same. All right. Merry Christmas. This is my coffee station. Nothing big time. My beautiful cups. I changed the cups out for the time of year. As you can see, very traditional cups. Little tea, my little tea holders and cream holders and things like that. And that's what I got going on for Christmas over here in my coffee station. We're going to keep it moving. Didn't want it to be too long. This is the bathroom. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Towels. Pan around. That's my Santa Claus saying, hey, come on in, do your business, and go and get on out of here. Okay? Yes. There you go, poinsettias and my hand towel. My dish dispenser, soap dispenser is a beautiful pine cone. I had that last year from Big Lots. These trees. And another beautiful towel. We're going to back up, and I do have a wall flower in there as well. Here's my daughter coming in. And the dining room. Merry Christmas. Be merry. I'm going to warn her because she get to talking. We're going to pan around. I'm doing a video, sweetie. Huh? I'm doing a video. Come on in. And as you can see, that's my tree that I put the lights on. 2 boxes of lights from Walmart. 200 lights, $2 a box. Can't beat that. And I thought that was very pretty. It is very nice at nighttime. I did the tablescape already for the dining room, but I'll just let you see. I added some lights. Everything else is the same. So I just love what I did on a budget with things I already had from different previous Christmases to come up and create a whole new look, which is very challenging, you guys. All right, over here, I added these beautiful flowers on my baskets over here. Very pretty Noel. I didn't want to do too much. I love this area over here. It's so pretty, so festive. That picture I just got last night from Burlington. I'm supposed to have been shopping for gifts, and I'm buying pictures for the wall. So my husband was like, what are you doing? You're buying gifts for decorating? Yes, y'all, you know how we do. We see something that we like, grab it, snatch it on up. It'll be put up soon. I think I'm going to put it over there, take that down, or either I'm going to add it over here. But that was $24. Okay. All right. So that's it. I think I did that really, really quickly. Zoe, you want to say hey? Hey. All right, y'all. I'm going to jump off. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, Lady T ZCD. And I will get back on her soon. Do another update on another video. You guys have a safe and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace.